Use a plastic prying tool and lever off the dashboard trim located above the glove compartment. Start at the end closest to the passenger door and work your way towards the driver's side until the trim is detached. Next, remove 4 Phillips head screws from the dashboard cup holders as indicated by the green arrows. Then remove the cup holders from the dashboard by sliding it straight out. Next, remove 6 T20 Torx screws from the glove compartment, green arrows. Pull the glove compartment straight out of the dashboard slightly. The next step highlights removing the lower trim panel. You don't have to remove the lower trim panel, but removing it makes accessing the wiring above the glove box much easier. Working below the glove box, remove 2 T20 Torx lower trim panel fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. Detach the lower corner of the lower trim piece, green arrow, by pulling towards the front of the car until the lug disengages. Pull the lower trim panel down from the dashboard far enough to access the footwell light connector. Disconnect the footwell light electrical connector by pulling it straight out of the light, green arrow. Then remove the trim panel from the vehicle. Be sure to store it in a safe place. Lower the glove compartment, then detach the electrical connectors, green arrows. Once the connectors are disconnected, detach the wiring harness from the back side of the glove box. Then remove the glove box compartment from the dashboard. When installing your glove box, be sure to properly line it up with the dashboard. Then reverse the steps of removal to install. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.